Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so ecstatic to be bringing to you a spring try-on haul featuring two of my favorite people in the world, and that is my mother-in-law and Chico's. My mother-in-law absolutely loves Chico's, and I am so thankful for you guys sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the spring campaign and everything that it encompasses about the woman being bold and not older. I love boldness. I think boldness is such a positive attribute for we as women to possess. And so this spring line is all centered around boldness and fashion, boldness in your everyday life, boldness in decisions that you may need to make to go to the next step of your life. I am enthralled about this opportunity, and I cannot wait to share with you our 2018 spring haul featuring items from Chico's.
Boldness means in fashion to me that a person that's not afraid to try different things, no matter what age they are, as long as it's tasteful and it looks good on them and it presents who they are and their character and their personality. I think that's what boldness is, that not really going in the line of a trend of what everybody else is wearing or what everybody else is doing. It's getting out of the box, not being in a box, but I'm believing that this is for me and I can wear it. That's boldness.
One of the things that I absolutely admired about my mother-in-law is her boldness and her tenacity. And that's one of the things that she passed on to me way before I became her daughter-in-law. She wanted to make sure that I was bold, that I was tenacious, that I was a go-getter, and that I would be the perfect match for her son. And I absolutely cannot thank you enough for all of the boldness that you instilled in me and all of the positive things that you instilled in me. I take it in every area of my life. So that's why it meant so much for me to make her a part of this campaign. Now I have to tell you guys a really funny story about her. If you don't like something, like when we shop together a lot.
Yeah, and we love Chico's.
And we love Chico's.
I love Chico's.
She really loves it. Like we have to get her gift cards to go to Chico.
Yes.
And so every Christmas, that's like a must have. But one of the things when we're shopping together, if we don't like something, we'll tell her that it looks old.
Right.
And when it looks old, what happens?
I don't buy it. All they have to say is it looks old. Even if they don't like it, it's not necessarily old. But if she says it looks old, I won't buy it. No, I'm not buying anything look old.
So everything that we will be sharing with you today is very young, very fresh, very vibrant, very it's tasteful, but also something that will last forever.
Right.
I mean, like those eternal pieces, right? Not something that's just on the trend for now. It will fit the trend, but it will also surpass the trend.
That's right.
So I am so excited.
And our ages, that's why I like Chico, because it does just that. It has clothes for every age, but at the same time, we all looking good.
We all looking good. So I am 38 years old, bold, and my mother-in-law,
65, bold.
Hey, so we're not 65 years old or 38 years old, but we are bold.
Bold.
So we are so ecstatic. We're done with the talking part. Now we're gonna head out and show you some amazing fashion from the bold and the beautiful.
Wow, we're excited. Thanks, Chico's.
When I saw this blue and white striped Black Label side tie top, I knew that it had to be a part of my wardrobe for spring. I absolutely love the color. It feels so amazing on my skin, and I've realized that the bolder that I've gotten in life, that the clothing that I have to wear absolutely has to be very comfortable for me. I love the side tie bow because it's so dainty and so sophisticated, and it can carry me through every area in my life. This faux suede peplum jacket looked absolutely gorgeous on my mother-in-law. I love the Quinn single strand necklace that she paired with it. It really takes the look up a notch, and I love Chico's jewelry because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It is so versatile for every walk of your life, from the courtroom to the boardroom to the classroom, whatever room you walk into your life. It will command the attention without you saying a word. I absolutely love the way that it looks against her skin tone. I love the neutral colors, which makes it so versatile, and I think it is just the perfect piece of jewelry for spring. In keeping with the Quinn line, I absolutely love this Quinn pin that she has also paired with a pair of brown leggings and the same faux suede leather peplum jacket. It gives it a totally different look. It makes it look a little bit more casual. Would be great for a date night. This pin is so absolutely gorgeous, and it has a touch of leopard print in it, which makes it so classy and so elegant and so very timeless. Up is this beautiful embroidered linen tunic. Nothing says spring quite like linen. It is the perfect accessory for your spring collection, and I absolutely love the way that this looks on her, and it feels amazing too. A neutral pullover is an essential in your closet. I absolutely love this lace trim pullover. It feels so great, and I have it paired with a pair of Chico slimming jeans here, but also you can pair it with leggings and, you know, a blazer. And I also have this pendant necklace that looks so amazing. I have been wearing this like 3 times this week. I am so in love with it. I love the leopard detail. I love the bold statement that this necklace makes. I got on the airplane with it on last week, and I got so many compliments. It is so beautiful, and again, I love it because you can pair it with almost anything, and these jeans are so comfortable. I traveled in these last week, and I promise you it felt like I was in a pair of lounge pants. It was so comfortable for me. And again, like I told you guys before, comfort is key for me in fashion. I want to be bold. I want to be, you know, I want to make a statement, but all at the same time, I want to be comfortable. And so this outfit definitely gives me all of those elements, and it is definitely a winner in my book. One thing that I have found true in fashion is that scarves are for all ages. I absolutely love a scarf in your wardrobe. It can keep you warm. You can wear them as, you know, outerwear, just kind of casually draping it around your shoulder. As you see here, I'm a very cold-natured person, and so I absolutely love to have a lightweight scarf just to kind of wear for warmth. You can also use it as an accessory. You could tie it around your neck, you know, to an otherwise simple outfit to give you an extra, you know, layer of confidence, an extra layer of interest. You can just add a scarf to a simple outfit to give you some color and give you some pattern. And I love this lace trim scarf because the possibilities are limitless when you are styling it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mother-daughter spring fashion haul and try on. It was so much fun putting this video together for you guys. Be sure to leave me a comment down in the description box below, letting me know your favorite pieces that we shared with you in this video. I will also leave the link to Chico down below so that you guys can get ready for spring 2018. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!